It's Olivia, and I am excited again, like always, because today I get to do the balloon slime challenge, but, there's a but, yes. I think that I went way too small last time. It's baby balloons, what? Like, what? So I decided to get some like 20-inch balloons and fill them with all my slime products. The thing I'm scared about is that last time I took the safe route and I cut the very bottom of the balloon. But this time, that's not happening. I'm cutting right in the middle. So I have my PJs on and I can get them a little dirty. I don't mind if this explodes all over my face. And I think you guys are gonna laugh at it. So let's get to it. Woo!
3, 2, 1, and action.
So I've taken everything out of the container. Now I'm going to do the glue first. That's what you always start with. All the time. So let's go. Uh-oh, this is gonna be a rough vlog. Well, that was awesome! Guys, next one is shaving cream. This one could get really bad, so let's go! You guys ready? I'm not. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. So much more fun than cutting the bottom because like I was in a hotel last time. I could not get it messy, and yeah, but now I can do whatever I want. I'm at home. Yeah, I need to do soap now. Let's get these handy dandy scissors. I'm so scared. You guys don't even know. Oh no, it's going everywhere. Chicky, are you okay? My dog, our dog. She's scared. That one was super duper scary. And now we have the lotion. It's so heavy. Oh my gosh. It went everywhere. Oh no. Oh my gosh, guys. This is crazy. So one more, and this is a new thing. I've never added this before, but it's baby oil gel. And never done this before, so it's a new thing. I always try new things, guys. I'm literally so scared. Oh my gosh, none of it made it in the bowl. Like literally, I don't know how this slime's gonna turn out because like half of this ended up around my house and not in the container. So now it's time to mix, and last I had that baby gel. I have to admit, it felt so good on my hands. Like, they're so oily right now, but it feels really good. What if I see balloons? I see balloon. Okay, now I have to mix. Guys, it's looking really good actually. Like, look how it stretches. And it's super duper bubbly. Okay, I think I'm ready to activate it now. Activator! I don't know how this is gonna go either, because I still did not put the correct measurements of anything. Like, it just went everywhere. So the mixture is 9 cups. Well, I mean, if you're just making a regular batch of slime, it's 1 cup of hot water to 1 teaspoon of borax. But I made 9 cups, so I needed 9 teaspoons of borax. And I always do a little bit less of borax because I don't like strong activators, because when they're strong, it might make your slime not as stretchy or just not as good. So it started to form up, and so I put my hand in it, and yeah, not using this spoon anymore. Right now it feels super duper soft, but I mean, it's always gonna feel like that, but I think I'm going to add some color to it. If you guys can't tell, this is one of my favorite videos I've ever done. Like, I love it. Because, I mean, it has something to do with slime, and I get to make it jumbo with balloons. Guys, this slime's so fluffy. It's like yellow, like popcorn. That makes me really want popcorn right now. Whoa. So heavy. Flip it. Whoa. Whoa! Okay guys, so I think this was a really successful vlog. Like, this was so much fun to do. Like, I got to make more slime. I got to make a big batch of slime. Oh my gosh. It just hit me. I'm gonna have to do so much cleaning. Like, look around, guys. There is so much of a mess. Like, the slime is all over the counter. And the shaving cream's right here, and the scissors are all messy. So, comment down below, for number one, do you guys like this slime? Number 2, what are some name ideas? And number 3, what's your favorite type of slime? So you guys can just comment the number, then comment your answer. Thanks for watching. Bye. Peace.
Like and subscribe. Choo-choo! Make sure you turn on your post notifications. Click one of these videos to keep watching.
We love you guys!